Hello students, today we are going to start our same chapter of accountancy, that is dissolution of partnership firm. This is part 3rd of that chapter, and today's topic is same topic that we already discussed in the previous video. Now for understanding that concept in details, we are going to discuss two more questions. The question is, here some assets and liabilities are given in the question. The liabilities is sundry creditors, bill payable, Mrs. A's loan, Mrs. B's loan, general reserve, investment fluctuation reserve, A's capital, B's capital, and here some assets is also given, that cash in hand, cash at bank, stock in trade, investment, debtors, provision, plant, building, goodwill, advertisement, suspense. Here some additional information is given, that the firm was dissolved on 31st March 2018 on the following terms. A promised to pay Mrs. A's loan and took away stock in trade at rupees 4,000. B took away half of the investment at 10% discount. Debtors released 19,000, including bad debts recovered, that is 6,000. Creditors and bills payable were due on the average basis of 1 month after 31st March, but they were paid immediately on 31st March at 6% discount. One more additional information is, plant released rupees 25,000, building rupees 40,000, goodwill rupees 6,000, and remaining investment at rupees 4,500. Here the last information is, there was an old typewriter in the firm which had been written completely from the books. It was estimated to release 300. It was taken away by B at this estimated price. We will have to make revaluation account plus partners capital account and plus bank account. So one by one we are going to make all the accounts. But first of all, realization account. So what is the primary step, or what is the first step of realization account? That is asset transfer. So with the help of old balance sheet that is given in the question, we can make realization account. So our first step is realization account. Here that is debit side, that is credit side, particular rupees, particular rupees. First of all, what assets is given in the old balance sheet? That is cash in hand, so we ignore cash in hand. Cash at bank, we also ignore that point. The third one is the stock of rupees 5,000 and investment of rupees 10,000. So we transfer both the assets. So here stock in trade, second one is investment. Stock in trade, that is given in the question, that is 5,000. Investment, that is also given in the balance sheet, that is 10,000. Then one more asset is given, that is debtors. Here debtors value is 20,000 in the internal column or 18,000 is the external column, but we prefer internal column, so we transfer 20,000. Then plant of rupees 20,000. It means here debtors of rupees 20,000 as well as plant of rupees 20,000. Then the next information is building of rupees 15,000 and goodwill of rupees 4,000. So here building is rupees 15,000 and goodwill is rupees 4,000. But here one more information is given, that advertisement suspense, and we ignore this point because we will have to distribute that point in the capital account. We cannot transfer that value in the liabilities column. The another information is given, that is second step. We will have to transfer the liabilities and only external liabilities should be transferred. So first of all, sundry creditors should be transferred. So here it is the second step. First of all, total of this, that is 74,000, that is the first step. Then by liability transfer, and before this we noted that debtors value is 20,000 in the internal column, and there is a provision that is given with the debtors of rupees 2,000. That provision we will show in the liabilities side. So here provision value is 2,000, that is given in the question. So here it is, that is 2,000 rupees. Then sundry creditor of rupees 30,000 and bill payable of rupees 8,000. Here it is, sundry creditor that is 30,000 and bill payable that is 8,000. In this we noted that there are two partners, A and B. Here it is, A and B are partners. But in this Mrs. A's loan, it means A's wife given the loan to the firm, that is outsider, that is not partner. If A gives loan to the firm, that is internal liability, but if A's relatives gives loan to the firm, that is called external liability. So that liability should be transferred. Here Mrs. A, Mrs. A is not the partner of the firm, so loan of Mrs. A treated as external liability, so that should be transferred in the liabilities column. As well as Mrs. B is also treated as external, so that loan is also treated as external liability. So here two loan is Mrs. A's loan and Mrs. B's loan, both loan transferred in the liability side, and here it is Mrs. A's loan and Mrs. B's loan. After that some reserve is given, that general reserve that cannot be transferred because general reserve is a distributable profit, so that is not transferable. Then second one is investment fluctuation reserve, that is also one type of reserve, so it should not be transferred. Here that is not reserve, that is actually fund. So if fund related information is given, so that should be transferred. If reserve is given, that should not be transferred. Here fund is given, not reserve is given. This is the question's mistake. So here investment fluctuation fund, that is 1,000. After that the second step, total of this side, that is 56,000. Then come on the additional information, and here the additional information is A promised to pay Mrs. A's loan and stock in trade. It means A takes one liability and A takes one assets. So if A takes assets, that is rupees 4,000. So here the entry is by A's capital account and stock is taken over by A in rupees 4,000. As well as A pay Mrs. A's loan. So here to A's capital account and Mrs. A's loan, that is given in the question Mrs. A's loan, that is 5,000. So here the value is 5,000. Then the next additional information is B took over half of the investment. What is the value of the investment? That is given in the question. The investment value that is given in the question, that 10,000. So half of 10,000, that is 5,000. And B took away half of the investment at 10% discount. So we will have to calculate. So here investment value is 5,000 and 10% discount, it means that value release 90%. After that we get 4,500, that is taken over by B. So here by B's capital account, that is rupees 4,500 with the help of working note. Then come on the next additional information, that debtors release. If release information is given, that comes in the bank column, including bad debts recovered. So we ignore that point, we consider 19,000. Release means in the bank column. So here by bank and debtors value is 19,000. Then the next information is creditors and bill payable were due on average basis of 1 month and 6% discount. So what is the value of the sundry creditors and bill payable? Sundry creditor, that is 30,000 and bill payable, that is 8,000. So we will have to calculate that value in the working note. Here the working note is given that creditors value, that is 30,000 for 1 month, that is 1 by 12, and 6% discount, it means 6 divided by 100. After that we get 150 as a discount on creditor. And second one is bill payable. Bill payable value that is given in the question, that is 8,000. 1 month, that is 1 by 12. 6% discount, it means 6 divided by 100. After that we calculate the value, that is rupees 40. So on bill payable we receive 40 rupees discount, or on creditor we receive 150 as a discount. So total creditors value, that is 30,000. After deducting 150 we get 29,850, that is two banks account creditors value, that is 29,850. Then bills payable value, that is 8,000, and we calculate discount value, that is 40. After deducting 40 from 8,000 we get 7,960, that is bill payable value. Then Come on the next additional information, that is plant release 25,000 and building release 40,000. That comes on the bank column. So here it is, plant release 25,000 and building release, that is 40,000. Then next information, goodwill release in rupees 6,000 and remaining investment, that is 4,500. So here 6,000 and 4,500, 6,000 for goodwill and 4,500 for investment. So here goodwill is 6,000, investment at 4,500. Total of this, that is 94,500. Then come on the next additional information that is also given in the question. There was an old typewriter in which the firm was been written off completely from the books. It was estimated to release 300 and it was taken over by B. So by B's capital account, and here B is taken one more asset, that is rupees 300. After that we analyze that all the assets are settled or not. So first of all, investment, here investment is settled. Second one is debtors is also settled. Plant is also settled. Building is also settled. But in this goodwill is also settled. It means all the assets are settled. Then we will have to check all the liabilities are settled or not. So first of all, provision. So there is no need to settle out the provision. Second one is sundry creditors. We already settled the sundry creditors. Then third one is bill payable. We already settled bill payable. Mrs. A's loan already settled. But we skipped B's loan. So we will have to pay B's loan. Here to bank account Mrs. B's loan, that is rupees 10,000, that is given in the question. Here one more information in the liabilities column, that is investment fluctuation fund. There is no need to settle this type of information. So we left that information. After that we analyze that our question is completed. There is no other information is given in the question. So we total both the side, and then we find out that credit side is greater than the debit side. So the balancing figure comes on the debit side, that is rupees 32,490, and that 32,490 distributed in the old ratio, and old ratio is not given in the question. So that time we assume equally. It means 32,490 distributed in two equal parts in between A and B, that comes 16,245 and 16,245. Then our realization account is completed. Then come on the next account, that is capital account. For making capital account, again we will have to consider old balance sheet, and here the balance sheet is first of all capital balances of the partner, that is given in the question, that A's capital and B's capital, that is 10,000 and 10,000. So we transferred that value with the name of to by balance BD. So here it is, that is capital account, that is debit side, that is credit side, particular A, B, particular A and B. First of all by balance BD 10,000 and 10,000. Then any other information is, that is reserve is given in the question. So reserve of rupees 10,000, that is also distributed equally, that means 5,000 and 5,000. So here it is by general reserve distributed in two partners, that is 5,000 and 5,000. Then let me check that any information is given in the asset side. Yes, one information is given in the asset side, that is advertisement suspense. So the advertisement suspense value is 3,500. So 3,500 distributed in two equal parts, here that is given in the asset side. So that should be transferred in the opposite side, that means that is debit side. So two advertisement suspense 3,500 and that is distributed equally, it means 1,750 and 1,750. Then balance sheet is closed. Then come on the next account, that is realization account. Then we analyze that in realization account any capital balance is given. So first of all debit side one information is given, that is related from A's capital. So here that comes on the realization account in the debit side. So it should be transferred on credit side by the name of realization account. So here the value is by realization account in the A's column, that is rupees 5,000. Then any other information? Yes, one more information is A's capital and B's capital. that also comes in the debit side, so it should be transferred on credit side with the name of realization account. So here it is, by realization account, that is 16,245 and 16,245, two balances. Then the next one is, let me check that any information of capital account given in the credit side. Yes, one information is given, that is by A's capital account. So that comes on the credit side, so it should be transferred on debit side by the name of realization account. So here it is, to realization account, that is 4,000, and B is also taken something, that is 4,500. So here in the A's column that is 4,000 and in the B's column that is 4,500. One more information of B's capital there is given, that is B's capital, that also comes in the credit side, so it should be transferred on debit side by the name of realization account. So here it is, to realization account of rupees 300. After that all the information are completed, then we will have to total of both the side, and we know that, and we after calculating we find out that credit side is greater than the debit side. So the balancing figure comes on the debit side, that is rupees 30,495 and 24,695. That is balancing figure. So we give the name bank to the balancing figure. After that we will have to make bank account. So for making bank account, let me check that bank balance is given in the question or not. Here, cash in hand or cash at bank, both information is given in the question. So what we will have to make, cash in hand or cash at bank? That time we prefer bank, so we make bank account, and both the balance transfer in the bank account. So to balance BD, here it is, to balance BD, the bank balance is given in the question, that is 8,000, and the cash balance is also given in the question, that is 500. So we write to balance BD and to balance BD, 8,000 for bank balance and 500 for cash balance. Then we will have to check there is any information in the realization account. Here bank is given, so here two accounts, the creditor and bill payable, bank account, that two amount settled by bank account. So that is 29,850 and 7,960. Two-sided, that comes on the debit side, so that should be transferred on the credit side by the name of realization account. So here it is, by realization account, that is 29,850 and 7,960 for bill payable. Then one more information is related from bank information, that is given Mrs. B's loan, that is also comes on the debit side, so it should be transferred on the credit side. So here that comes from the realization account, so by realization account, here the value is 10,000. Then we will have to check any other information in the opposite side is given or not. Here in the bank side one information is given, and total of this side, that is 94,500. Then we transferred that value from credit side to the debit side by the name of realization account. So to realization account, that is 94,500. Then we will have to check capital account. Any bank balance is given in the capital account? Yes, one account is given, that is A's capital and B's capital. So it come on the debit side, so it should be transferred on credit side. So here it is, by A's capital account, that is 30,495, and by B's capital account, that is 24,695. After totaling of both the side, we get that the total of this side is 1,03,000 and this side is also same. If we find out that both the sides are equal, it means that our question is correct. So that is our checking factor. So debit side is equal to credit side of bank column, means our question is correct. Here one more question is also given, that Bora, Singh and Ibrahim were partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 5:3:1. On 2nd March 2015, their firm was dissolved. The assets were released and liabilities were paid off. Given below some additional information, that realization account is given, partners capital account is given, and bank account is given. We will have to check, there are some blanks column, and we will have to fill that column. This type of question is also comes in the examination, so we will have to practice that type of question is also. So here realization account is given and all the information is given, but here one blank column is given. So we find out that here total of this side is greater. It means the information or balancing figure comes on the credit side. Here the balance comes in the credit side, that is by loss transferred. Because if the balance occurs on the debit side, that we call them to profit transfer, but if the balance comes on the credit side, that is said by loss transfer. So here the blank column is given that, and we fill that blanks in the from the blue pen, and the whole question is given by the black pen. So that is fill in the blanks, and that blank's name is by loss transferred, because the credit balance always known as loss transferred, and that balance distributed in the old partners. And who is the old partner? That is Bora, Singh and Ibrahim, and their ratio is 5:3:1. So that 9,000 distributed in the ratio 5:3:1, that means 5,000, 3,000 and 1,000. Then one more account is given, that here capital account, with some information. Here by balance BD, that is given in the question, by general reserve, that is also given, and there is two blanks is given in the debit side. So first of all we will have to check that all the information from realization account are transferred from realization to capital or not. So here there is any capital balance? No, there is no any capital balance. Then we will have to check credit side. Here one capital balance is given in the credit side, and that comes on the credit side, so it should be transferred on debit side by the name of two realization account. So here 5,000, 3,000 and 1,000. The name is two realization account. In the Bora's column, that is 5,000. In the Singh's column, in 3,000, and in the Ibrahim's column, that is 1,000. So first fill in the blanks covered by this amount. Then the second information, that is balancing figure, and we know that the balancing figure of capital account is known as bank account. So total of this side, that is 24,500, that is 19,500, that is 10,500, and we get the balancing figure, that is 19,500, 16,500 and 9,500, and that blank column is known as to bank account. We know that. Then one more account is given, that bank account. So we will have to check that what information is given or not. Balance BD is given, realization. Let me check that all the realization accounts information is transferred or not. So first of all debit side. Here bank balance is given, that is 34,400. So that comes on the debit side, so it should be transferred on credit side by the name of realization account. So here it is by realization account, that is 34,400. Then one more information is given, that bank account, and one more. So by realization account and by realization account 400 and 620. So here it is 400 by realization account, and there is no relevant information of 620. So we fill first blank from realization account by realization account, that is 620, that is not transferred. So we will have to transfer. So first blanks we find out that balance on that blank column. Then come on the credit side. There is any bank column? Yes, one bank column is given, that assets released. So that should be transferred on the debit side by the name of realization account. So here it is to realization account, assets released, that is 55,200. Then one more information is given, that unrecorded assets. So it should be also transferred that, but there is no information about that fact in the bank column. So we will find out the second blank column, that is realization account, because that comes on the credit side, so it should be transferred on debit side by the name of to realization account for unrecorded asset, that is amount 6220. Then we will have to check capital account. There is any bank column? Yes, Bora's column, Singh's column and Ibrahim's column, that all the information have to be transferred in the bank account, but it is not transferred, or it is not given in the question, but we will have to transfer that value in the blank column. So we find out all the blank columns, that by Bora's capital account, by Singh's capital account, or by Ibrahim's capital account, that is 19,500, 16,500 and 9,500. So here it is 19,500, 16,500 and 9,500 by the name of by Bora's capital account, by Singh's capital account and by Ibrahim's capital account. Total of both sides are equal. So that is one different type of question, and that is generally based on blanks column. That is also important for examination point of view. So you will have to practice that type of question from exam idea or from any other book, because in the book DK Goel only one question is given of that type of information, but in exam idea some more question is also given. So you all have to practice that type of question and solve these exercise, because that exercise is belong from 6 marks question and one question definitely comes from this point. So this is very important chapter.